Welcome, virtual friends, to Sophia Tell. Today, we're exploring the stunning city of Sydney, Australia, while I share Gary's inspiring story about how small steps can lead to big financial wins. Let's enjoy the journey together. Have you ever felt like you're working hard but not seeing the results in your bank account? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's talk about small changes that can help you feel confident, capable, and ready to start building wealth, one step at a time. Quick reminder, make sure to drink some water. Staying hydrated fuels your focus and energy, which are essential for success. Also, while you're here, drop a comment about a habit you're working on. It might inspire someone else to take action. Now, let me tell you a story. Gary was full of big ideas. He'd spend hours daydreaming about starting his own business, investing in real estate, or even creating a side hustle that could change his life. But when it came to managing his finances or pitching his ideas, Gary froze. Numbers overwhelmed him, and his thoughts became a tangled web of doubt. The tipping point came at a family gathering when his cousin said, "Gary, you're always talking about ideas, but where's the action?" That comment stung, not just because of the awkward silence it caused, but because it was true. Deflated but determined, Gary decided to change, but not in a sweeping, life-overhauling way. He focused on small, positive habits. The first habit was tracking his expenses. Gary downloaded a simple app and started logging every penny he spent. It wasn't glamorous, but it showed him patterns he'd ignored for years. Next, he set aside 15 minutes a day to learn about personal finance. He watched videos, read articles, and even took notes on simple budgeting strategies. Each day, his confidence grew. Finally, he practiced pitching one idea to a trusted friend. It wasn't easy at first. He stumbled over his words and forgot key points. But with time, he learned to speak with clarity and confidence. A month later, Gary pitched a small business idea at work and was met with excitement. His colleagues asked thoughtful questions, and even his manager said, "Gary, I think you are onto something." That moment wasn't just about the idea, it was proof that small steps could lead to big changes. If Gary's story feels familiar to you, here's what you can take away from it. You don't need to be perfect or make massive changes overnight. Sometimes tracking your expenses, learning one new skill, or practicing your communication can turn your financial dreams into reality. Say it with me. I create habits that build my financial future. Say it with me again. I create habits that build my financial future. Here are 3 practical tips to build wealth and confidence. First, track your spending daily. Awareness is the first step to control. Next, dedicate 15 minutes to learning. Whether it's budgeting, investing, or starting a side hustle, small actions compound over time. Last but not least, practice sharing your ideas. Clear communication opens doors to new opportunities. Need a little extra help staying on track? Download my free Motivation to Wealth Planner on the Sophia Tell Patreon site. It's designed to help you turn small habits into big financial wins. Find the link in the comments and description. Grab your free planner today. Let's add another affirmation to start. Say it with me. My focus builds my financial future. Say it with me again. My focus builds my financial future. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step you take strengthens your foundation for lasting financial success. Now, let's build on this momentum with 10 powerful affirmations to keep you motivated and focused on your journey to wealth and confidence. These affirmations will appear on screen. Take a moment to say them and let their energy guide you towards success.